1. Solving and graphing inequations, Part 1, where the explanation speed is moderate. Solve each inequation and graph the solution. Well, I see that we have a greater than or equal to right here, a less than, and a less than or equal to. Now, solving these is exactly the same way as we would solve equations. In the second video, the next one following this, we'll have one difference, but for now, all I need to do is subtract 5 from both sides of this equation. And when that's done, I will have on the left x. Just carry down the greater than or equal to sign. X is greater than or equal to -6. Any value which satisfies this condition is part of the answer. 0 is, for example, because 0 is greater than -6, which is way down here to the left. This condition also allows equal to. So I'll put a circle on -6 and fill it in, showing that -6 is part of the answer, as is any value more positive. That's it for the first one, for A. For B, let's have a look here. 2x minus 6 is less than 3. Well, I'm going to add 6 to both sides, just as I would if this were an equation. That will leave me on the left with 2x. Carry down the less than sign. 2x is less than 9. I will now divide both sides by 2. Something going on there with my pen. And what that leaves me with, x is less than 9 over 2, which is, of course, 4.5. So, on my scale, I will write 4 and 5. And I could just write 4.5. There's my 9 halves right there. So the answer is not a solid dot, but an open circle. And x is everywhere less than that amount. That's the answer right there. Well, in the last one, what we have is a situation where I think I should subtract 4 from both sides. And also, what I should do is subtract 2x from both sides. And what that will leave us with is, now, -x, -1x minus 2x is -3x on the left, is less than or equal to -10. Just to finish this off, I will divide both sides by -3. And so I have x is less than or equal to, now a negative divided by a negative is a positive. So 10 over 3, which is 3 1/3. You know what I'm going to do? I'm just going to mark it just like this, 10/3. X must be less than that amount. And that's the end. I hope that worked for you. Thank you very much. Whoa.